Hi, it's Thursday, August 8th. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. As some of you may know, California is having a really bad fire season this year. Just so you know, the fires are several hundred miles north of where we are, so while we're not immediately threatened by the fires, we do have repercussions from all the smoke in the air. And what you're looking at this morning is the second morning this week where this is the rising sun. Because of all the smoke in the air, we have this enormous red orb. Right now it's covered up by the fog. Fortunately, it's cooled down some, and where we are, we get the morning fog that rolls in from San Francisco Bay. And if we wait a little bit, we might get the orb back again. But I just thought I'd do a quick video to let you see what it looks like when it's fire season in California.